As today we'll talk about how can you enable sticker suggestions on your VCAP. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on app settings. So when you click here on app settings here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, so you keep going down here and you click here on stickers. So when you click on stickers, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to suggestions, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's means sticker suggestions enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.